crochet the first row using the V-stitches. Chain 3 stitches for the turning chain and work 2 double crochet stitches in the first double crochet stitch of the previous row. Insert the hook in the first V-stitch of the previous row and work 1 single crochet. Yarn over and insert the hook in the second V-stitch of the previous row. Work 1 double crochet stitch. Add 4 more double crochet stitches in the same V-stitch. Repeat the preceding steps in each V-stitch across the row.